Are you interested in learning more about how to build different chords for piano? In this video, we will be exploring more advanced chords which will definitely spice up your piano playing. If you missed part 1, click on the link which will take you to part 1 of how to build different chords for piano.
Okay, so now we're going to do a dominant 7 with a flattened 5th. Dominant is a major chord with a minor 7th. Here's your major 7th. Now make it into a minor. But now, in this case, we've got a dominant 7th that's got a flattened 5th. What's the 5th note of the C major scale? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the G. So there's my dominant 7th with a flattened 5th. I want you to notice something. It's very similar to the diminished chord. Remember, the diminished chord needs to be minor in quality before it becomes a diminished chord. Okay? So this is a major chord with a minor 7th and a flattened 5th. The normal dominant 7th, see, it's still got that major quality sound. Look at the major 9th chord. We know that our scale has got how many notes? 8 notes. If I'm going to go beyond my 8 notes of the major scale, obviously that's going to be 8, that's going to be 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Whenever you have chords that go beyond the normal scope of the major scale, you call it tertian harmony. Now, tertian harmony is basically where the notes are built in thirds, going all the way up. All of these are in thirds, from there to there to there. Now, this is a major 7th. Now, normally when you start using chords like major 9th, major 11th, major 13th, you've got to include the 7th part of the chord. Not always, just like the basis of all of our chords is the major chord, the basis for tertian harmony is the major 7th chord. So there's a major 9th chord. Now we can play this differently so that we don't have to stretch our whole hand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the D, which is the 9th, and I'm going to bring it down to the 2nd, okay? And there's my major 9th chord. Now the question that you'd probably be asking is, where is my C? Now there are certain rules in jazz harmony where you can substitute certain notes for other notes. So with a major 9th, what I'm going to do is, instead of playing the C as well, can you hear it sounds a little bit heavy there? Instead of using the root note of this chord, I'm going to substitute it with my 9th, which will be, in this case, my 2nd. So there's a major 9th chord. I can also play it like this. I could add it on like this as well. That sounds really cool. Major add 9 chord. Take your C major chord and you are going to add the 9th. Now, a different way of playing it, I'm going to start with a G over here, C. That's a nice sound, I like that. So there's my major add 9 chord. So this will actually be called a C add 9. And this will be called a C add 9 with a G in the bass. Okay? Okay, now we have a minor 9th chord. In a normal major chord, what is the main note that will make the major chord a minor chord? Is the 3rd. We have a major 9th, so it's a C major 9th, and then a C minor 9th. Now remember, the 2 notes in a 7th chord that makes it minor is the 3rd and the 7th. So there's my 3rd of the chord, there's my 7th, and there's my 9th. So that's my C minor 9th. Now we're going to have even more of a combination, and that is going to be a minor major 9th chord. We've got our major 9th, which we started off with earlier on. We're going to minor it. You lower the 3rd. And that's it. It's called a minor major 9th. So the minor comes first. Minor and then major 9th. You'll notice it actually consists of 2 different chords. This is interesting. You have a C minor chord and you have a G major chord. Put them together. C minor major 9th chord. Half diminished 9th chord. Here's my major 9. There's my minor 9th. Now I'm going to make it into a half diminished. And then I'm going to make it into a full diminished. You notice that the ninth is actually flattened every time. Okay, so it's a half diminished ninth chord as the major ninth, minor ninth, half diminished, there's my diminished quality, but I'm including my flattened ninth, and then full diminished will be double flatting the B. And then we have our major 11th chord, which is 8, 9, 10, 11. It's going to be, the F is the 11th, and I brought it down. And then my 13th is going to be my A. And I'm omitting the G, or the 5th, every time.